It's gotta have rules.
It's a good
My
idea to
story's not over
recycle,
yet.
but if you feel uncomfortable doing it or it tastes bad to you, then you don't have to do it.
Oh, what?
Anyway, after that, the second topic, the one where I spanked myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I was doing that for fun because sometimes I do random silly crazy things,
Well, sure.
and
I tried being nice.
sometimes adults feel pleasure from pain,
Yeah.
even when they do it to themselves.
Yeah.
But I mean, not to a point where they kill themselves. But
Of course.
Just like
Some people
spanking
do, though.
is generally a popular type thing amongst adults.
Oh, you missed it.
Anyway,
Was it a very large woman?
it's a fetish for some people, and I just randomly felt like doing that.
Right,
And then
right.
the third topic, which was the
Wow, heavy rain. Wow.
photographs of
I don't know if we could be together.
me in
I have a girl.
adult diapers.
Yeah. You
yes,
in adult
I
diapers.
did get
That's not good.
free sampling of diapers from a troll, but
I gotta go find
regularly I do not use them.
Metal Gear.
But I just felt like trying a pair on,
I don't know.
and it was okay.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. It's just
The name's Scott.
but I would not wear them on a daily basis. I wear briefs.
Yeah.
Regular briefs.
You wear regular briefs?
And sometimes I do. I get very stressed out
It's
from people who yell at me or misunderstand me or talk bad about me.
Welcome, you made it.
And between
Yeah, I
that
just saw the
and
invite.
other real life stresses, it just builds up, and sometimes I just have to. It just comes out that I sometimes accidentally poo my pants. But I mean, who hasn't in their lifetime? I mean, pooed their childhood diapers, much less pooed their underwear.
This guy's telling me his whole story, man.
At least once in their lifetime. I mean, we're only human. Something to be ashamed of. And to those who find it amusing, I respectfully disagree with their opinions.
in my pig
And
and drove me
with that, I just want to continue to make it perfectly clear that I am a
97.
healthy, growing, sane, and sound-minded adult individual.
Going to my farm that I tilled yesterday.
And I should continue to be treated and respected as an equal among the human population, just as anybody else.
Yeah,
Private matters
I
are
agree.
private matters. But also, in reality, I actually did those videos and pictures as a favor to an individual, as a favor to an anonymous female individual
Yeah, of course, of course.
who just wanted to get her kick off of it.
Sure.
But a lot of women, they tend to get their kicks off of kinky things as such. An adult fetish, nothing to be ashamed of. I mean, everybody's got at least one, I'm sure. I have some. Not sure exactly how to describe them, but yes, I have some, and I'm not afraid to admit it. Thank you very much for your time, and have a pleasant day. Peace.
You too.
Sorry, I had to take a hit of my vape cloud.
Okay.
You know about Metal Gear.
That's-
Dude, I'm gonna be really honest with you. Your nipples are kind of turning me on, dude.
the picture that is showcasing your stream right now, like the little you know, the window that gives you a preview of it.
Yeah.
It is my nipple.
Really? Are you sure?
It's my nipple.
You might be looking at the wrong stream.
No, that's you. Got a camera in the bottom left with a blue border.
Oh yeah. Okay, I like it.
Yeah.
Yummy nipples. Anyways, I've made a brand new friend today. I call him Grr.
Grr.
Because he looks scary. Look at him. Look at him
Is this your friend?
Yes. He's looking
shit.
sexy.
It's from a very old game that I can never remember the name. And there goes your friend.
Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna fucking destroy you. Come here.
Your friend's back. Your friend's back. You're good, dude. You're good.
Dude, that's what
Oh.
Dude, I think I'm in love with Silly Blue. I think me and him need to fuck like ASAP.
Dude, you do not want to get them erect.
Fuck.
Get really wrecked, baby. I want to see all of you in your glory. Take off every piece of clothes you got left. Sexy sex, baby. Cloth off.
What?
Kind of God.
I gotta take a shit.
So this is Billy Blue. Just a little.
Blue, I'm gonna fuck you, silly Billy Blue.
Nice.
It's blue, man.
Desic! Desic!
That guy's still staring off.
Desic! So, hey buddy, I'm not in VR. I'm getting content.
Oh, you
I'm
faggot.
finding content, damn it.
Are you in the hunt for?
I'm on the hunt for content. Oh, and this
If I could open my hand.
this is J Does Gaming Guy. If you want to help me show him around, this is his first day in VRCHAT.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing? Why aren't you in VR, huh?
Cause I gotta get content.
Why don't you just use VR and record?
I can't.
Why is that, huh? Is your computer too bad or something?
I have one HDMI port. I need two.
Mm-hmm. I think someone just has a really bad computer.
I mean, it's a toaster, but it's a Walmart toaster special.
Yeah, you stop using your Walmart toaster. Maybe you should, put some money into it. Let's get in the game.
Okay, well, do you want to answer a question?
All right, what's your question?
What would you name a boat if you had one?
Salty bitch.
Salty bitch.
Okay, is it for you guys? Where did we go? I went to come here. Huh?
Oh my god, all this
Is it
shit.
me, or is it freaking out?
It is
Okay,
freaking
it's
the
not just me.
oh my god. Holy shit, I gotta catch them all. Holy shit. This is nuts. Oh wow, look, the only sane piece of equipment. I found the only thing that's not broke. What the fuck?
Ghost of content.